Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about helping you personalize your chess.com profile on your Android phone by adding a custom status. If you're someone who wants to show your mood, activity, or a quick message to your chess friends, then this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the option labeled More. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, tap on Profile to open your account information. You will see a field labeled Status. Tap on it and write your status to show on your profile. Once you've typed your status, look at the top right corner and tap the Save icon to confirm and update your status. And that's it. Now your chess.com profile has a custom status that your friends and opponents can see whenever they visit your profile. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial made things easier for you. If it helped, make sure to check out our other videos for more simple guides just like this one.